Hello, Black Hat Cougars. Mrs. Sutliff here. I want to show you quickly how you can get to Typing Agent from Kickstand so that you can do your digital citizenship lessons. Digital citizenship basically means using the internet responsibly. All right, so I'm in Kickstand right now, just like you are, and I'm going to click on the little C in the top corner of my screen to get to the Clever portal. So I'm going to come over here to, oh, look at that. I don't have a little C. What do I do? Well, your little C for Clever is actually hiding in this puzzle piece right here. So if you click the puzzle piece, you can see the Clever right there. Now, if you want to pin Clever so that it's always on your browser up here, you can click this little pin, and now my little C is up here. Okay, so go to Clever, click on the badge over here to log in. Okay, so now I'm going to find Typing Agent. I need to scroll down. There are 3 ways that I can scroll down. The first way is to use the down button on my keyboard. It's in the bottom right corner, down, 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 down. I'm going down until I find Typing Agent right here. The second way that you can scroll down is to bring your cursor to the scroll bar off to the side and click and drag down. Clicking and dragging is a little challenging. It's easier to use the down button. The third way you can scroll down is to bring your cursor down to the very bottom corner where there's a down arrow, and you can click that to scroll down. Okay, so however you want to scroll down, just go ahead and scroll down to Typing Agent and click to go in. All right, so this is where you practice your keyboarding. This is where I want you to go today. This is digital citizenship. Just remember you're looking for the star. Click there to go in. And then we are going to be watching videos on digital citizenship. So this is the first video. I'm going to click on it to get the video started. Okay, I'm pausing the video right now because I want you to watch it. I don't want to watch it for you. So I'm going to skip to the end of the video. I would like you to actually watch it, okay? But I'm skipping to the end of the video because I want to show you what to do when you finish the video. So after you click on the video and watch it, you will finish. Yay, I finished the video. I'm going to bring my cursor over here to this button that says Return to Digital Citizenship. Just click that button and it will take you back. And as you can see, you have stars now on the video. Now, if you scroll down, you can see here there is a quiz. I don't like the quizzes on Typing Agent because they don't read the questions to you. So I put the quizzes on Kickstand so that you can listen to the questions. It will read it to you. So rather than take this quiz right now, I would like you to come up here and go back to Kickstand. That's this tab that you have open. Right now we have 3 tabs. We have the Typing Agent we're in, we have the Clever portal right here, and then we have Kickstand right here. So come back to Kickstand and then click this button right here. It will say show what you know, and you can take the quiz. All right, that's it for today. Please raise your hand if you have questions. And remember, you can always watch this video again to see the directions one more time